Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to turn yourself into a superhero. So we're going to do a lightning superhero, so we can go ahead and get started. We're just going to do File, New. Here's my new document, sorry. It's all over the place. Okay, and I usually do a square, so my standard is 3000 by 3000 pixels. Okay. Then once we have this open, we're just gonna find like somebody to use as reference. So we're gonna go to the stock tab. Okay, let me see. Mad face. Cool. Let me see if I can find something. This one kinda might be it. Let me. Yeah, that actually looks somewhat good. So cool, just type in mad face on Unsplash and this lady comes up and she just happens to be in the pose we want. So here's the problem though. It's kind of the wrong size. So I was gonna crop it, but now that I think about it, I'm just gonna go ahead and add a background. Come over to Layers tab, get a rectangle, throw it on the back. Put it behind the person, change the color, eyedropper tool, boom. Alrighty, then grab the top one, and you don't have to do this right now, but we're gonna have to do it in about a couple seconds. We're gonna rasterize this layer. We're gonna move her down, kind of bring it in a little bit. Okay, sorry, I'm doing this on my drawing tablet and I'm looking from far away because my mic is right in front of my face. But this is overall what we're doing. So the first thing that we want to do is change the eyes. Let me kind of show you a reference of what I'm going to do. So we're essentially going to use this guy as reference as far as the hand, because of the way your hands are. So it's just a lightning all around, and then lightning coming out, but it's gonna be a little bit more realistic. Cool. So I've already downloaded the brushes that we're gonna use in this one, but the brushes we're gonna use, it's gonna be on Brush Easy, and also we're gonna type light. Light. I don't know how to spell lightning brush. That's probably not how you spell lightning, but alright. And I think I picked any one of these is fine. I can't remember which one I picked. I think it was this one. These Photoshop brushes. So what we're going to do is download it, wait a second, then it's going to have a zip file. You're going to unzip it, and then you're going to right click on the file, and it should be an ABR file, and then you're going to say open an Affinity photo. And we're back here. So now we'll get started. Alright. Cool. So we're going to new pixel layer, and then on top we are going to start drawing the whiteness of her eyes. We want to kind of have like a softer brush, so I'm going to come down here. Alright, that looks good. And then we're going to change the color to white, and then we're just going to kind of start I think the opacity is a little too high, so we're going to lower the opacity. Yeah, there we go. So far, yeah, and then we're just gonna come up here. We're gonna new pixel layer. We're gonna come over to the brushes and grab this, and we're gonna drag down to the one that we downloaded. Should be in your brushes tab, and then on the drop down menu, we're gonna come down here, and it should be the free. This is the one, number 4, Photoshop brush, free lightning Photoshop brushes. So I'm gonna click it. We just pick any one, doesn't really matter. Okay, and then we're gonna start drawing this. Now, to rotate the brush, this is pretty crucial. We are going to hit the arrow keys. The left is gonna rotate it left, the right's gonna rotate it right. Like that. Go to transform, flip horizontal. I'm gonna take the one that we made, mask it out. Come here to basics, change the brush for your eraser, and we'll mask it out. Cool, looks cool. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and come over here, mask this out, just so it looks like it's blended more. Okay, awesome. Now here's the main problem is her eyes need to be glowing. So we're gonna add another pixel layer. I'm like the king of pixel layers. And make sure it's kind of on top here. And we're gonna get another soft brush. Hopefully that's soft. Okay. And then just kind of around this, we're gonna give it a little here we are adding the recolor adjustment layer. What I'm going to do is add an exposure layer here, just so we can kind of make it more dense. So we do exposure, drop it down, cool. Then we're going to add a mask on top of that, and we're going to mask her out. I don't like the hands, so I'm not too sure. The references I have, they're all cartoons, so hey, so this is Future Zach here. Here I'm just gonna kind of break down what I did to edit this lightning strike. I selected the mesh warp tool. Now this tool is pretty crucial to help sell perspective and help wrap things around objects and stuff like that. And you're about to see me use it, and I'm going to show it. So here I am trying to do a Gaussian blur, and basically all I did was I just I grouped everything, I duplicated it, I put the one that I wanted to apply the blur to on top, then I converted it to a pixel layer, and then I just went to the effects tab and hit the Gaussian blur, and yeah, there we go. And then I just kind of masked it out and lowered the opacity. Dun, 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 dun. Cool, you made it this far. If you did, congratulations. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think down in the comments. If you love it, awesome. If you hate it, oh man. But yeah, let me know if you want to see anything else or any ideas that you have that I should do, try out. And you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.